Welcome to the final installment of our enriching series, Practical Ways to Integrate Prayer into Everyday Activities. In this episode, we explore a unique blend of physical fitness and spiritual practice, transforming your workout into a powerful, prayerful experience. Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a new day, ready to embark on your physical exercise routine. Whether it's a morning jog, a yoga session, or a visit to the gym, this is not just a time to strengthen your body, but also an opportunity to fortify your spirit. Let's begin with the moment before you start. As you tie your shoelaces, roll out your yoga mat, or choose your weights, take this pause to offer a prayer. It could be a prayer for strength, for endurance, for health, or for the discipline to complete your routine. This prayer sets the tone for your workout, aligning your physical goals with your spiritual aspirations. Now, as you start your exercise, be it running, lifting, stretching, or striking a yoga pose, let each movement be accompanied by a silent prayer. With every step you run, send a prayer for perseverance. As you lift each weight, pray for strength, not just physical, but the strength of character, resilience, and determination. In each yoga pose, find a moment of stillness and balance, offering prayers of gratitude for your body's capabilities and for the peace and clarity that exercise brings to your mind. This integration of prayer and physical activity transforms your workout from a routine task into a moving meditation, a sacred time where you connect your physical health to your spiritual well-being. It's a time to appreciate the incredible capabilities of your body and to acknowledge the divine presence that empowers it. As you progress through your workout, use this time to pray for others too. Send thoughts of health and strength to loved ones, to friends who may be struggling with their health, or to anyone in need of physical and spiritual healing. Your workout becomes an act of intercession, where each rep, each mile, each pose becomes a meaningful gesture of support and love for others. And in the moments of intensity when you feel like giving up, let your prayer be a source of motivation. Ask for the endurance to push through, for the fortitude to overcome the challenges, and for the wisdom to listen to your body, respecting its limits. As you conclude your workout, don't just rush off to the next task. Take a moment to cool down, to stretch, and to reflect. Offer a prayer of thanks for the strength to complete your routine, for the endorphins that uplift your mood, and for the health that allows you to engage in physical activity. Reflect on the spiritual journey you've just undertaken, how prayer intertwined with your physical efforts to create a holistic experience. Remember, integrating prayer into your fitness routine isn't about the intensity or the duration of your workout. It's about the intention and the mindfulness you bring to it. It's about recognizing that physical health and spiritual well-being are deeply interconnected, and nurturing both is essential for a balanced life. As we conclude our series, we hope that these insights on incorporating prayer into your daily activities have enriched your life and deepened your spiritual practice. Continue to explore ways to connect with the divine in all aspects of your life, making every ordinary moment an opportunity for spiritual growth and connection. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your fitness routine be a source of physical strength and spiritual growth. Follow and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living a spiritually enriched life. Embrace each day as an opportunity to grow, to connect, and to thrive in body and spirit.